Distribution of minerals. Minerals occur in different types of rocks. Some are found in igneous rocks, some in metamorphic rocks, while others occur in sedimentary rocks. Generally, metallic minerals are found in igneous and metamorphic rock formations that form large plateaus. Iron ore in North Sweden, copper and nickel deposits in Ontario, Canada. Iron, nickel, chromites and platinum is in South Africa are examples of minerals found in igneous and metamorphic rocks. Sedimentary rock formations of plains and young fold mountains contain non-metallic minerals like limestone. Limestone deposits of Caucasus region of France, manganese deposits of Georgia and Ukraine, and phosphate beds of Algeria are some examples. Mineral fuels such as coal and petroleum are also found in the sedimentary strata. Asia. China and India have large iron ore deposits. The continent produces more than half of the world's tin. China, Malaysia and Indonesia are among the world's leading tin producers. China also leads in production of lead, antimony and tungsten. Asia also has deposits of manganese, bauxite, nickel, zinc and copper. Europe. Europe is the leading producer of iron ore in the world. The countries with large deposits of iron ore are Russia, Ukraine, Sweden and France. Mineral deposits of copper, lead, zinc, manganese and nickel are found in Eastern Europe and European Russia. North America. The mineral deposits in North America are located in three zones: the Canadian region north of the Great Lakes, the Appalachian region and the mountain ranges of the west. Iron ore, nickel, gold, uranium and copper are mined in the Canadian Shield region. Coal in the Appalachians region. Western Cordilleras have vast deposits of copper, lead, zinc, gold and silver. We will read this map. Figure 3.5 World distribution of iron, copper and bauxite. This symbol denotes iron, this is copper and this is bauxite. So this is the map. This is Southern Ocean. Blue part is of water, the ocean part. This is Pacific Ocean. This is North Atlantic Ocean. This is Tropic of Cancer. Arctic Ocean. Pacific Ocean again, and Indian Ocean is there. So this is a sign of copper. Copper fine here. Iron is here, and bauxite is there. This is India. In India, what is found is this is sign of iron, and this is bauxite. Distribution in India. Iron. India has deposits of high-grade iron ore. The mineral is found mainly in Jharkhand, Odisha, Chhattisgarh, Madhya Pradesh, Goa, Maharashtra and Karnataka. Bauxite. Major bauxite producing areas are Jharkhand, Odisha, Chhattisgarh, Madhya Pradesh, Gujarat, Maharashtra and Tamil Nadu. Mica. Mica deposits mainly occur in Jharkhand, Bihar, Andhra Pradesh and Rajasthan. India is the largest producer and exporter of mica in the world. Copper. It is mainly produced in Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Jharkhand, Karnataka and Andhra Pradesh. Manganese. India's manganese deposit lie in Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Odisha, Karnataka and Andhra Pradesh. Limestone. Major limestone producing states in India are Bihar, Jharkhand, Odisha, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Rajasthan, Gujarat and Tamil Nadu. Gold. Kolar in Karnataka has deposits of gold in India. These mines are among the deepest in the world, which makes mining of this ore a very expensive process. Salt. It is obtained from seas, lakes and rocks. Figure 3.8 is showing extraction of salt from Sambar Lake in Rajasthan. This white part is salt. India is one of the world's leading producers and exporters of salt. Uses of minerals. Minerals are used in many industries. Minerals which are used for gems are usually hard. These are then set in various style of jewelry. Copper is another metal used in everything from coins to pipes. Silicon used in the computer industry. It's obtained from quartz. Aluminium obtained from its ore bauxite is used in automobiles and airplanes, bottling industries, building and even kitchen cookware. Conservation of minerals. Minerals are a non-renewable resource. It takes thousands of years for the formation and concentration of minerals. The rate of formation is much smaller than the rate at which the human consume these minerals. It is necessary to reduce wastage in the process of mining. Recycling of metals is another way in which the mineral resources can be conserved. Power resources. Sunny's mother begins her day by switching on the geyser. She irons Sunny's school uniform before waking him up. She then rushes to the kitchen to prepare a glass of orange juice for him in the blender. Sunny, have you finished taking bath? Come and have your breakfast, calls out mother while preparing breakfast on the gas stove for Sunny. While going to school, Sunny forgets to switch off lights and fans. When mother switches them off, she thinks that life in the cities may be more comfortable, but its dependency on more and more gadgets, all of which consume energy, has led to a wide gap between the demand and the supply. With the advent of science and technology, the lifestyles are changing very fast. Power of Power or energy plays a vital role in our lives. We also need power for industry, agriculture, transport, communication, and defense. Power resources may be broadly categorized as conventional and non-conventional resources. So here is a figure showing oil and natural gas in a table. It's showing the advantages, disadvantages, and again advantages. Advantage is easier to transport in tanker. Oil can be easily transport in tankers and basis of petrochemical. This is basis of petrochemical industry. And disadvantage is depletion of oxygen due to oil spillage and gas leakage. Pollutants release cause acid rain. Exploitation of new fuel is not easy. Then natural gas advantage is easier to transport in pipeline, cleaner than oil and coal, cheaper than oil. Then again, conventional sources of energy. It's firewood and coal. So the advantage of firewood is easy access, provide energy to a large number of people, and disadvantages collection is time consuming, polluting, promoting greenhouse effect and deforestation. Then coal advantages are extensively available, efficient conversion to electricity, and disadvantage is polluting source and bulky to transport. Then hydel power. Its advantage is non-polluting, promotes irrigation and fishing, and it is a cheap. And disadvantages are displacement of local community and it's expensive to set up. Conventional sources of energy. Then conventional sources of energy are those which have been common use for a long time. Firewood and fossil fuels are the two main conventional energy sources. Firewood, it is widely used for cooking and heating. In our country, more than 50% of the energy used by villagers come from firewood. Remains of plants and animals which were buried under the earth for millions of years got converted by the heat and pressure into fossil fuels. Fossil fuels such as coal, petroleum and natural gas are the main sources of conventional energy. The reserves of these minerals are limited. The rate at which the growing world population is consuming them is far greater than the rate of their formation, so these are likely to be exhausted soon. Coal. This is the most abundantly found fossil fuel. It is used as a domestic fuel in industries such as iron and steel, steam engines, and to generate electricity. Electricity from coal is called thermal power. The coal which we using today was formed millions of years ago when giant ferns and swamps got buried under the layers of Earth. Coal is therefore referred to as buried sunshine. The leading coal producers of world are China, USA, Germany, Russia, South Africa and France. The coal producing areas of India are Raniganj, Jharia, Dhanbad and Bokaro in Jharkhand. Then petroleum. The petrol that keeps your car running as well as the oil that keeps your cycle from squeaking both began as a thick black liquid called petroleum. It is found between the layer of rocks and drilled from oil fields located in offshore and coastal areas. This is then sent to refineries which process the crude oil and produce a variety of products like diesel, petrol, kerosene, wax, plastics and lubricants. Petroleum and its derivatives are called black gold as they are very valuable. The chief petroleum producing countries are Iran, Iraq, Saudi Arabia and Qatar. The other major producers are USA, Russia, Venezuela and Algeria. The leading producers in India are Digboi in Assam, Bombay High in Mumbai and the deltas of Krishna and Godavari rivers.